Hello and welcome to the Coding Bytes. I am Abhishek Parmar, and in this video we are going to talk about Capgemini Tech Challenge, which is a good opportunity for all of you. So let us first understand what is Tech Challenge. So this Tech Challenge is one of the largest hackathons in India. Over 7.5 lakh people have been a part of this challenge in last 7 years. And 35% of them are being women. The registration for this tech challenge has already been started, so you can apply for this challenge by clicking on the link which is given in the description of this video. Now as you can see, the winner of this tech challenge will get 75,000 cash prize and the runner up will get a cash prize of 50,000, which is for each of the 10 contestants. There is also a early bird winners, which means the first 10 players to complete the level 2 will also get the Capgemini branded merchandise. And other than this, you can also win certificates and direct L2 interview call. The top finalist in each of the skills will also be rewarded. So there are different prizes and rewards which you can read here. The link of this page will be given in the description of this video. So now let's see how you can apply for this tech challenge. So all you have to do is you have to click on the register now button. Now once you click on register now, all you have to do is you have to go for sign up. So here you have to enter your first name. Then you have to enter your last name, then you have to enter your email ID and your mobile number, and then you have to click on the sign up. So this is how you can register for this particular tech challenge. Now once you successfully register for this particular tech challenge, you can log in and update your profile, and based on your choice you can register for different kind of challenges. Now there is a regional tech challenge. So in the regional tech challenge you have two levels. The first level will start from June 7 and you can attend this level till July 19. And similarly you have regional level 2 which will begin on June 28 and you can attend this till July 19. Now similarly you have other lateral tech challenges, and in these challenges also you have two levels. So level 1 will begin on June 28 and it will also valid till July 19, and the level 2 will begin on July 5 and it will also valid till July 19. So July 19 is the last date to attend for the level 2 of both the challenges, and the finale of this tech challenge will be conducted on 4th and 5th September 2021. And please note that all the challenges are going to be virtual. So this is how you can apply for this. So I hope all the doubts regarding the tech challenge has been cleared, but still if you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.